Yeah, hi, good morning everyone. Can you see my screen?
Yes, we can see.
Okay. So have you created AKS in your subscription? Is it accepting? Anyone?
I couldn't do that. I'll
Okay,
try maybe over the weekend or yeah.
okay. Anyone? Did you try? Okay, yeah, fine. Now have a look. I am going to start AKS service in my system. Okay, first thing, navigate to VMs. Okay, AKS services. My AKS. Okay, start it. Okay, yeah, it has been started. Now, how can you deploy the application on top of AKS? It's very simple. Now, see, actually, your applications can maintain in GitHub. Other one is what? Azure repos. Okay, yeah. First, already I have two applications in GitHub. So once you configure GitHub with AKS, then AKS will build a solution and generate the package and it will be released. So the release package will go on sit in AKS pod files. So where it will create one load balancer, one DNS name and some other files. So load balancer URL can be accessible. Okay, in between here I said right ACR. ACR in the sense Azure Container Registry. Here any application deployment one registry will be happen. Okay, let's see, go to GitHub. So GitHub code and all will be maintained by whom? Developers. Okay, yeah, so these are different, what is that, we have many repositories, so make sure that every application should have one Docker file in order to deploy that application on top of Docker or AKS. So Docker file is mandatory. Okay, here I have one voting app. Okay, so this is the voting app. Actually these repos I have downloaded from Google. I tried many things, but I couldn't find many applications with a Docker file which has Docker files. Okay, so this is voting application. When I go and see, this has this data. Okay, which has this data. Okay, now these are just voting application, one page application which contain these many files. Okay, now what I will do now, I will go and deploy into where? AKS. Okay, every, as I said, every application it should contain Docker files. See, these are all the Docker files. Okay, yeah. So how can you do that? There is a one option, deployment deployment center. Just go to deployment center. Okay, yeah, next. Now, where is your code? Azure repos or GitHub? Where is your code? GitHub. Okay, yeah, next. Next. Okay, authorize it. Already I have entered the credentials, same thing, it will authorize it. So once authorization is succeeded, then it will display list of repositories. Okay, see all list of repositories. Okay, so our application is what? One is voting app. This is the voting app. Okay, so this is the master branch. Next. Yeah, this is the one. See, by default, it is targeting Docker file. Okay, so our Docker is our application is running on which port number? 80. Here only we can check 80. Next. So this is the one. As said, we have create namespace and ACR Azure Container Registry. Okay, so here namespace name you can provide anything. By default, it is giving some unique name namespace, so you can provide anything. I am giving voting app. Okay, to identify our application with a nickname. That's it. Okay, yeah, see, a new pipeline is used automatically change the pipeline settings here 5. Okay, now create container registry. See, create. I am giving my ACR. My ACR 2020. Okay, yeah, see, container registry location. Okay, yeah. Next, I am see this is the every time before deploying any application, I will choose same ACR guys. Why? Because just it will register that application code with unique name. That's it. Okay, yeah. So please remember my ACR 2022. Today is October, right? 10th. I am giving. Okay, yeah, done. Now what is happening now? My application is deploying on AKS and it is building the code and releasing the code and generating the load balancer URL. Okay, entire process it will take it. See how easy it is. Just what we are doing, we are giving the path of our application. That's it. Okay, yeah, if you see here, a few seconds ago, the deployment was started, right? See, still it is deploying, managing, and building, and what is that? Registering, hosting into AKS. So it is processing here. Okay, let it be. To process, it may take some time. Okay, yeah, just to refresh one time. Yeah, see, it is completed. Okay, so this file, where we can go and check. So there is another option, services and increases. This is the one. Okay, first you have to target this
Could you
one.
check your headphone? We are facing some disturbance.
How is it now? My side disturbance?
Yes, yes.
1 second. Okay, how is it now?
Yes, it's fine.
It's fine, right? Okay, great. Yeah, see, if I go and verify, one deployment is completed. Meanwhile, see, for every process, you will receive an email. See, guys. Okay, just now we trigger an email, trigger and deployment, right? So these many emails. For every step, it is checking and trigger an email. Okay, yeah, fine. Now, its deployment is done. Navigate to services and increases. See, these are all the files. Where is your application? I mentioned this name, namespace hyphen voting app. This is my application. Okay, status, it is deployed. Okay, type, load balancer. What is the load balance? Cluster IP. This is the cluster IP. And the load balancer IP. What is the load balancer IP? This is the load balancer IP. Okay, when it was deployed 6 minutes ago. Right? Yeah, now click on this voting app. This is sample one page application. See, you can see this application. Okay, yeah, see, now I'm going to host another application. Okay, so as I said, right, every application from development end, it should contain one Docker file. That is mandatory. Without Docker, we will not able to deploy. Even though if you deploy, output is very bad. Yeah. Next, now navigate to GitHub. Go to main page. So these are all my repositories. Okay. Now I'm going to use another application. Hello World application is there. Just type Hello World. Okay. Yeah, this is the one, Docker Hello World. When I click on it, see what it contains. See, this is the Docker file. If you open Docker file, it contains everything. Okay. We have to verify only Docker file is there or not. Okay. So I will host it. How can I do that? Again, go to AKS, deployment. Okay. Add project. GitHub. Next. Okay. Yeah. Here I am giving, what is the file name? Hello World, right? Yeah. Docker Hello World. Next. Say every step, it will say port number is 80. Next. So here namespace name hyphen.
I'm sorry, can we also change the port number or is it is by
No,
default?
port.
No?
Yeah, what is the port number that should be mentioned in Docker file?
Okay, okay.
Okay, yeah, that's what. This is the Docker file. By default, application which contain Docker file, right? That is loading here. See, just now I open, right? Same file.
Got it.
Okay, last command nginx, right? Go and check.
So we can't even modify the Docker file, can we? Change the port here or no?
Here, no. So
Okay.
in Docker file itself, how they are configuring, they have to change it.
Okay. Got it.
Maximum we will use 80 port number only in real time.
Okay.
Also, anyhow, we are configuring the DNS name, right? So it that
Right,
we
right.
quickly access. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Next. So what is the application name? I am giving hello world namespace. Okay. ACR the same. My ACR 2022. This month 10, right? I mentioned 10. Done. Anyone has Visual Studio in any virtual machine? Did you install? Anyone, guys? No, right? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Still it is processing. Okay. Yeah. Still it is processing. Yeah. It's done. Right. Now go on refresh. Okay, go to services ingresses. Okay, see here we have another LB URL. Okay, so first thing is we have created hello world this time, right? Click on it. See, this is the AKS. Welcome to Azure. Azure AKS. Welcome to Microsoft Kubernetes Services. Just we mention thing. Okay. So where we can see this code in GitHub. Yeah, index.html. Yeah, see. Okay, welcome to Azure, right? I mentioned. I will update it. Let's see what will happen. Edit. Okay, here I am giving just Microsoft. Okay, I am giving welcome to Azure DevOps and AKS. Okay, which introduced by Microsoft in the year 2018. Okay, yeah, just I changed it some content. Commit changes. The moment when you commit changes, again, what will happen? Build, build it will start and it will execute entire your code. Again, it would be deployed into AKS. See, if I go and verify, what is that? Deployment center. See, another pipeline is going on. Okay, just 15 seconds ago. So very easy, right? Are you maintaining any infrastructure? No, right? Are we installing any related add-ins and all? Application related add-ins? No. Here you need not worry about patching? No. Management? No. Okay. So what we have to do? Only associate DNS name with your application. That's it. Nice, right? That's why I said in future everything would be a case, nothing will be there. Here, do you require to create any server? No. Do you require to create any, my application is a .NET, so please create .NET. We are asking? No, right? Okay, whatever the application in your hand, just we are adding it. Got it? Rima, everyone?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So one more advantage here, we mentioned cluster. Am I right? Cluster in the sense, by default, we provided two clusters, right? Your applications are deploying in one cluster that would be synchronized with another cluster. So if this cluster is crashed or it is down due to some issues, then what will happen? Another cluster will be taking up, it will be running, it will make sure that run all applications which were deployed in previously. Okay, so if we go for Docker, okay, Docker we will maintain in one one Docker, so multiple applications. If Docker is down, whatever the applications are deployed, everything will be down, right? So you have to upgrade the Docker version every month. Here, no patching activity, everything will be taken care by Microsoft. Okay, yeah.
So is this service expensive than Docker?
Yeah, AKS obviously bit cost.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this will maintain all the releases, all the builds and
Everything,
everything, right? Everything
everything.
will be stored there. So
Yes.
even so, the when you said cluster 1, cluster 2, it's like an image, right? The
Yes.
backup
Yes.
of cluster 1, cluster 2.
Yes. Correct.
And very rarely the both of them will fail. One will
Yes.
fail or the
Yeah.
other, right?
Yes. Yes. Correct.
Okay.
Yeah. They are unexpected events. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
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 Sir, sir, for developer point of view, uh,
Okay.
we have to create a suppose I am creating a ASP.NET application,
Mm-hmm.
and after that I have to create a Docker container.
Mm-hmm.
Then only I can use AKS, right?
Yes. Correct. So no, the application create with Docker file. So ASP.NET Core application is there, right? So
Yeah,
use
cool.
ASP.NET Core application, create one Docker file, deploy it.
Okay, in the normal ASP.NET application or the MVC application.
Yeah, MVC also you can deploy. So here we created Linux pod file. Am I right? I'm
Yeah.
choosing Notebook. So core application it will support. Happily you can deploy everything. Okay, now most probably people are using MVC and ASP.NET Core applications, right?
Yes.
Yes, we can create Docker file and host it here.
Okay.
Okay, do you have any virtual machine which has installed Visual Studio?
Actually, sir,
Anyone?
I do
Yeah.
have. I do have. Yesterday only I deleted.
Okay, fine, got it. Yeah. See, people try it out in virtual machine. Right click and verify Docker. They have provided Visual Studio 2022 that option.
No, sir, I know that. I know that because I'm a .NET code
Yeah.
developer only.
Yeah,
So I
sure,
know
sure.
that how to.
Yeah, great. Okay, still it is in progress. Yeah, still it is processing.
Sir, in the old application, we can add a Docker file.
World
Suppose
application, yes, you
my
can.
application was okay.
Yes. So you should know
So
how
the
to build up the Docker file. Yeah.
yeah, I know.
Yes, yes. In that case, yes, you can do that and host it in a case. Okay, yeah, refresh one time. Yeah, it's done, right? Now go and refresh. This is the what is that load balancer? See, Microsoft welcome to Azure DevOps AKS, which introduced by Microsoft in the year 2018. Right, guys? Nice, right? So this is how we can use AKS. Same funda, guys. For every application deployment is same. Okay. So carefully you have to create it. Not sure whether it is supporting free trial or not. So I am choosing two, what is that? Nodes. Okay. I mean two clusters. Okay. Whether two clusters are supporting or not sure in Azure free trial. Okay. That's what I requested yesterday. Try it out one time. Okay. Check it out for monitoring and all. So go to overview. Here we have monitoring options to monitor the AKS. Okay, there is a monitoring, right? Here we can check. Okay, node pull a CPU, okay, network in and out, that all we can see. Okay, max 8%, doesn't matter. Okay, so this is what total. We have only two applications, right? Okay, it doesn't matter how it is taking. Okay, it is very simple. Last one day, what is the utilization? Last 30 days, how is the utilization? That all you can track it. Okay. Yeah, fine. Next thing, very important thing is what is the Terraform? Okay, so what is the Terraform, guys? Any idea? Anyone? What is the Terraform? Okay, Terraform is a what? IaaC. It comes under IaaC, infrastructure as a code. Okay, so Terraform is a open source. I can say what is that? Terraform is a open source and use it to automate. What is that? Use it to automate infrastructure. Infrastructure in cloud. Cloud in the sense anything, guys. Terraform can be used in Azure and AWS and Google. Okay. So Terraform supports class cloud platform. Class cloud platform. Okay. Yeah. So Terraform introduced by SCL. SCL in the sense HashiCorp configuration language or language. Okay, HashiCorp configuration language. Okay, this is like JSON, not JSON. Okay, the syntax and all, it is JSON but not JSON. Okay, yeah, so Terraform, it is lightweight so that it can travel easily in the wire. Okay, so Terraform, there is a one URL called terraform.io. Okay, people will develop on the golden templates using this site. This is the official site from Terraform end. Okay, have a look, navigate to your URL, Terraform. Just type terraform.io. Okay, this is the official site. Now navigate to tutorials or else registry.io. I'm pinging in the URL. Okay, simple. Go to terraform.io, terraform registry.terraform. Here, see terraform registry providers we will have. Before that, go to main site. Okay, see what is that automate infrastructure? Any cloud. As I said, it supports AWS, Google, Azure, and Salesforce CRM, OpenStack, anything. Okay, yeah. So go for documentation. Here you can see the definition. What is that? Terraform is a infrastructure as a code. Okay, using Terraform code, we can build, deploy, manage infrastructure code. See, so it allows you to build, change, version infrastructure safely and effectively. Okay, yeah. Next, this is about what? Terraform. Okay, Terraform introduced by what? HashiCorp languages. Okay, yeah. Next, once it is done, go back. Okay, here we have the syntax. Seems it got updated. Okay, yeah. Next, registry.terraform. Okay, go for providers. Okay, see these are providers. We have AWS, Azure, Google, Kubernetes, and Alibaba Cloud, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Okay, so which one you would like to use it? So if you go for AWS, okay, AWS it will give the documentation. Simple, everything structure is same. Provider it is showing right in AWS. Instead of AWS, if you put Azure, same code you can host it in Azure. That's it. That's why I given one word call is support. What is that? Cross cloud platform. Okay. Yeah. Now go back. Navigate to Azure. Okay. Go for documentation. See, this is the Azure provider. See, everything is same instead of provider name. Azure, instead of AWS, if you put Azure RM. Azure RM in the sense resource manager. Okay, resource manager. Okay, very simple. So to develop the Terraform, first Terraform, open bracket and closing bracket. Here you have to mention providers. Okay, providers. Again, open bracket and closing bracket. Here, version. What is that version? I can say 1.0 slash Terraform or Azure RM. We are using Azure RM. Okay, so that's it. Next, so actually the syntax to deploy any service in Azure, this is the syntax. Generally, you know, right? Function ABC. What does it mean? So this is the function type. Function name is ABC. Same way, how we can design Terraform template is resource. What is the resource? Just a type resource. What is the resource name you would like to create in Azure? Okay, Azure RM. Okay, hyphen resource hyphen hyphen. Okay, group. Okay, so what is that block of code name? I can say RG. Now open bracket and closing bracket. Here you can pass it. So what is that name? I can say my RG. Okay, location. What is that? East US. That's it. Okay, same way what you have to deploy. Copy this block of code, again paste it. So resource, right, this time I can say storage hyphen account. Okay, what is this backup code name? I can say STG. Name, location, and SKU. I can say SKU. SK in the sense I can say what is that? LRS. That's it. You people can host this code. Okay, so this is the syntax of developing the Terraform by default. Okay, by default. All right. Yeah. Next. So this built-in code already it is there in Terraform IO. Okay, whatever the site I shown you, right? Every syntax, they have written in Terraform.io. Okay, yeah, this is the one. Now go back here. So here we have, this is the part. Okay, so what is the Terraform providers? I said, right, version 3.2. So if we are consider the resource, what is the resource name? Azure RM hyphen resource hyphen group. I mention RG, they mention examples. So what is the name? I am mentioning some my RG. Location, West Europe, they have mentioned. Okay, so can we deploy one resource group using Terraform? Yes, why not? How can I do that? For example, I am giving RG here, RG. So resource name is my TCS hyphen RG. Okay, what has to be changed? Total copy this Terraform code, copy, open another notepad. Okay, paste it. Or else notepad plus plus, that would be good. Okay, another file. Right guys, so this block of code is mandatory to create any service in Azure. What it is saying, Terraform to required parameters. It is asking where I should deploy. Where I should deploy means whether it is cloud or AWS or anything. That's what source I am providing /Azure RM. Version is 3.0. Okay, providers features. Okay, this is quite common. Configure Microsoft Azure provider. Now to create resource group, this is the code. So till then, this is mandatory, guys. Okay, now save this file with what extension? TF. Okay, now Control F. Sorry, Control save. Okay, what is the file name? Desktop rg.tf. Okay, rg.tf. Save it. Now go on verify. See rg.tf. How to execute it? How to deploy these Terraform templates? Now go to yeah. So I'm going to delete it, guys. Now. Yeah, let it be. Okay, I'm going to stop it. Let's see. Okay, yeah. Now, see, this is anyhow, let it be. There is a what? Cloud Shell, right? Click on Cloud Shell. Okay, quickly configure. So if you would have been practiced this Cloud Shell, it is same guys. We can use it for different purposes, this Cloud Shell. Okay, yeah, next. Now go to upload RG. Okay, yeah, fine. So this is the one, right? Now go on upload that file. Okay, it is same procedure how to host Terraform templates. rg.tf. Yeah, it's done. Go on type dir crg.tf. So what I will do now, I will create one directory mkdir terraform. Okay, that day I said right. How can you move this file, guys? Linux, I said. Have you been practicing? So I want to copy this file into this Terraform directory. How can you do that? So move, what is that? rg.tf Terraform. Yeah, it's done. Type dir. See, file is not there. Now navigate to cd Terraform. Clear the window. ELF. Dir, sorry. So rg.tf. Okay. So if we can remember my previous sessions, we executed git bash command, right? So what are the commands which we have used? Git init, okay, git clone, next git add, git commit, next git push. Okay, in between that here we have git status. Same way for Terraform also we can have Terraform. What is that? Init. Okay, Terraform plan. Okay, Terraform. What is that? Validate. Okay, Terraform plan. Sorry, apply. Okay, that's it for commands. Okay, yeah. So before executing these things, just type Terraform hyphen version. Okay, Terraform version is 1.0, 1.2. Okay, yeah, fine. Next, now if you don't know anything about Terraform, just type Terraform. It will give the commands. Okay, I said these four. Terraform init, validate, plan, apply, destroy. Okay, yeah. Now, what is that? Terraform. Clear the window. Terraform init. Yeah, sorry, spell mistake. Terraform init. So what it is doing is it is installing all required add-ins to execute further commands. Okay, yeah, this is the one, right? So how can we see? It is showing finding HashiCorp and finding the Azure RM version, Azure RM 3.0, guys. Okay, it is the interview question. What is the version of Azure? Azure 3.0. Okay, yeah, good. Now, uh, see, it is succeeded. Next command is Terraform. Just type Terraform. What is that next command? Even they are providing sequence as well. Validate it. Okay, Terraform validate. The one which you have given, that is success. Terra configuration is valid. Okay, yeah. Next, Terraform plan. What is the Terraform plan? Just it will show you preview of the output. Okay, so preview of the output means what services it is going to be add, what services it is going to be destroyed. That all it will display this one. Okay, plan. Hit enter. Okay. Yeah, so this is the preview. ID, location, West Europe. Okay, so my TCS-RG has to be created in Azure. Now go up, minimize the window. Yeah, see, so far we don't have my TCS-RG. Now what I will do is, okay, Terraform. Okay, final thing is apply. Hit enter. Okay, it is asking for your approval. Yes. Yeah, it's done. See, apply complete. Resource 1 is added. 0 is changed, 1 is destroyed, 0 is destroyed. Now minimize the window. Now go and check, refresh one time. See my TCS-RG. Same way for golden templates, we can call them as golden templates. If I would like to create one storage account, so just go to search bar, storage account. This is the Azure RM storage account. This is the code, guys. So this time what I will do now, copy this code. Okay, copy this code. Same. Till then it is same. Okay, I am pasting here. So what is the storage account name? I am giving my storage 2022. Today is October 1st. Nice. Almost we are entering to the end of the year, right? This quarter. Yeah. Okay. Now So resource group, I will keep it like this, or else if you want, you can change it. Okay, or else let me give the name, my Microsoft 2022-RG. Okay, so now save it, save. This time I am giving storage.tf. Okay, what is the storage account it will create? Microsoft. Under that it will create my storage with today's timestamp. Okay, minimize the window. So developers, they will develop the templates using same site, same funda guys. Okay, so this is the storage. How can you upload it? Go to CLI, Azure CLI, click on it, upload file in desktop storage. Okay, yeah, now maximize it, clear the window. So see dir, go back one step, dir. See here we have storage. So create one more directory, mkdir storage. Okay, so move storage.tf to what? Storage folder. Okay, yeah, now cd storage. Clear the window. Now directory. See we have only one file. Now start using Terraform init. So why I'm creating is it is better there is no conflicts. Okay, yeah, next Terraform validate. Okay, yeah, Terraform plan. Terraform plan. Okay, yeah, so this is the preview. Okay, yeah, now I am giving Terraform apply. Okay, yeah, use it, yes. So nothing, just to remember this URL, that is more than enough for this one. Okay, read it out this documentation. Okay, guys, one thing I would like to let you know, for documentation wise, don't trust anything. It is live documentation for Azure. Okay, every time you can see lot of changes. If I give you one PDF, same PDF, it won't be there in next month. Okay, so always I request you go for only, what is that? I will let you know about these steps. See, it is deployed, right? Now go to refresh. See, this is the one. I given, what is that name? My Microsoft, right? Yeah, see, my Microsoft 2022 RG. Click on it. Okay, this is my storage account. Okay, my Microsoft, what is that? My storage 2022 October 1st. Nice, right? Yeah. Okay, for example, I have deleted this resource. Can you tell me who deleted this one, where we can track? Any idea? I said long back. This is the interview question one student asked me. Anyone?
You mean where it's tracked, admin can track it? Is
Uh,
that what
okay. What
activity
else?
log or the notification? Is that where it will show?
Notification also I deleted. Now I don't have any notifications.
Okay.
Okay, now it's clear.
The logs,
So
there is
yeah,
activity logs and logs.
okay. Anything happen in resource group level. So first target, go and verify that resource group. Which resource group? This is the one. Okay. Everything in the resource group level, whatever the things are happening, to track it, just go to specific resource group. Then there is a what? Activity log. Okay. In the activity log, see last 6 hours what happened in this resource group, we can track it. This is interview question, Infosys interview question they were asked. Yeah, to update it, just now we delete it, right? To update it now, it will take some time. Okay, everything go to activity log, it should display here. Okay, for example, uh, okay, we have deleted total. Now in AKS, just go to activity log. See what I did. I stopped the AKS, right? Am I right? 17 minutes ago. See, it is showing stopped 17 minutes ago. See, event initiated by my name. Okay, clear, right? So everything can be tracked. We cannot escape it. See, I stopped cluster. Two clusters it is stopped. First, it is accept the request and stop it. Okay. Yeah. So the class started. I started the AKS. Do you remember? AKS service I started. When did I start? 1 hour ago. Okay. So once, see, it is giving timestamp, right? Even timestamp, today's date as well. So based on that, what time, what happened, that all we can track it. See, even GST time, GMT time. Okay. Yeah, you should convert it into UTC time. You people can track it. Okay. This is overview of Microsoft Azure. Okay. So another thing is documentation, right? Let me get it.